Hey guys, Matt here at Total Package Detailing, taking a look at this 2017 Honda Civic Type R. Now let's take a look at this bottom valence piece right here. As you can see, my finger easily gets down in there. Doing a rush job would involve just taking a big machine and just breezing right over that area and not even stopping. And of course, a big tool like this is not going to fit down in there. It's just simply not. Not only that, that disc will be banging around into that bottom valence there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get out a smaller tool. Look right here as well. Can you fit a big tool inside of these areas? No. So smaller tool required there as well. And that's very time consuming to do all the way around the vehicle. Let's take a look at a potential solution. So here is a potential solution. We have a very thin head there, and we also have a much thinner disc than this tool usually uses. So we can try and get in little areas like this. I don't think this is going to actually work perfectly on this spot. Yeah, see, it's not going to touch the very bottom, but you get the idea here. We're aiming to try to get all the way down in these areas as best as we can. So we are going to use a different disc in this particular scenario. We just want to kind of show you what may need to be done. Next, we're going to show you these little pieces here inside the grill. These are diamond grill sections, and you can see what we're doing is we're actually taking and putting coating on a brush and brushing it into the grill. That way, it has even coverage all the way around. There's really no way to do that with regular applicator pads. So you can see we're actually taking the time to get in there and brush the coating into all these areas for uniform coverage. And let's take a look at the aftershots of this vehicle. As you can see right away, the benefits of doing this kind of a package is you're going to get this extreme deep gloss that truly lasts and stands the test of time for years. Just a simple wash of a high quality ceramic coated vehicle like this is going to make it look this good. You can see in the lights that that paint is absolutely beautiful. Not only that, we took the time to make sure that we didn't remove two-punch paint on the vehicle either. We don't want to, take all the paint off the vehicle and make it so you got none left. So we were very careful about that so as to not to remove too much clear. And as always, if you want to get yours done, give us a call at 920-450-2085.